Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix GameLoop not opening so you can launch the emulator without any errors or crashes. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can prevent GameLoop from starting properly. Next, run GameLoop as administrator to avoid permission issues. After that, check your antivirus or firewall and make sure it is not blocking the emulator files. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can stop the emulator from opening. Another important step is to enable virtualization in your BIOS settings, because GameLoop depends on it for proper performance. Also, try deleting temporary cache files from the GameLoop folder to remove corrupted data. If the issue continues, reinstall GameLoop completely for a clean setup. Finally, restart your PC and open the emulator again, and it should work normally without any problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.